Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your website through SSH in SiteGround. First, log into your SiteGround account. On the upper ribbon, go to Websites. Here, click Site Tools beside the website you want to access. The first step is to create an SSH key. On the left panel, go to the Devs tab. Then, select SSH Keys Manager. Now, type in a name for your SSH key and create a password. After that, click Create. Once it's created, click the three dots beside your new key and select Private Key. Copy your private key and store it somewhere safe, like in your notepad. Save that file as a .ppk file. Next, open PuttyGen on your computer. Click Load, then select your private key file. Enter your password and click OK. Once your key is imported, change the key type to DSA. Then, save your private key again. Type a name for it and save it as a PPK file. Now, open Pagent on your desktop. Click Add Key. Select the newly saved private key, enter your password, and click OK. Once the key is added, you can close the app. Next, open the Putty application. You'll need your SSH credentials from SiteGround. So go back to SSH Keys Manager, click the three dots again, and select SSH credentials. Copy the host name and take note of the port. Then, enter both into Putty and click Open. Putty will now ask for your username. Go back again to your SSH credentials, copy the username, type it into Putty, and press Enter. And there you have it. You are now connected to your website's directory through SSH. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.